welcome back to my channel once again, guys. The Sky Fairy Pooja Bijalman. And guys, if you don't know me, so I would like to introduce myself that my name is Pooja and cabin crew for last 1 year. So guys, I'm here with you again with another video. And today's video is all about Indigo hirings. Okay, Indigo is hiring in bulk. Yes guys, Indigo is hiring in bulk. So today in this video I'm going to discuss about Indigo is hiring cabin crew for ATR flights. Okay, yes guys, I do have my register. Now I'm going to tell you each and everything about this. What is the eligibility criteria? Okay, educational qualification, communication, height and weight criteria, and appearance, then requirements and responsibilities. So let's jump to the video. So guys, before starting this video, I would like to say that I have mentioned in starting of this video that Indigo is hiring in bulk. Yes guys, Indigo is hiring in bulk. So the vacancy is for AOCS cabin crew. There are so many vacancies are there. You can see on my screen also, but I'm not going to explain each and everything over here about vacancies, but I'm going to explain only cabin crew profile. Okay, what is the eligibility criteria and each and everything I'm going to explain it, but only for the cabin crew. Okay, not for AOCS, not for ramp staff, not for this and that. Okay, so if you want to know more about AOCS and other vacancies, do DM me on Instagram or do comment on my comment section. Okay, in each and everything I'll make another video of it. Okay guys, so let's get started. Indigo Airline is hiring cabin crew for ATR flights. So guys, the location will be, just write it down: Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai and Kolkata. These are the 4 cities. If you get selected, so you have to reallocate here. Okay, so guys, let's talk about eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility criteria of cabin crew? Okay, this is only for girls. Okay, this vacancy, this job profile is only for female candidates. Okay, Indigo does not hire male candidates for the position of cabin crew. Okay, so let's continue it. Eligibility criteria. So guys, eligibility criteria is for female Indian nationals with Indian passport. As in my every video I always mention it. If you want to work in the airport or in the airline, so you have to have passport, because passport is mandatory. So here also passport is mandatory. Even for the ground staff, passport is mandatory. Okay, so female Indian national with Indian passport between 18 to 27 years of age. Okay, so minimum age should be 18 and the maximum is 27. Okay. So let's talk about educational qualification. So the qualification should be pass out 10+2 from any recognized board or university, right? Let's talk about communication. So fluency and clarity of speech in both English and Hindi respectively. Okay, so English and Hindi should be okay. They are not asking you to be fluent in, yes, you should have good command. Okay, in both language. So let's talk about height and weight criteria. Okay guys, so minimum age 155 centimeter. Okay, 155 centimeter, and weight proportionate to BMI. Most of the candidates do not know about what is BMI. So guys, let me tell you, BMI is body mass index. Okay, so if you don't know how to calculate it, I will put link in my description below. Just calculate your BMI. Okay. So appearance is positive body language and well groomed. No tattoo should be visible while in uniform. Okay, if I'll talk about no tattoo should be visible while in uniform. Yes guys, most of the people do not know about what is the meaning of the sentence. Okay, so I'm here to explain it. Hope you will understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, if your company uniform is like this, only half sleeves, just in case if half sleeves, so this portion is visible. So in this portion there should not have any tattoo, any mark, or any prominence. So just let the company about it. Okay, if they are okay with it, then it's okay, otherwise hide it. Okay, if I'll talk about requirements, so requirement is on the assessment day, candidate must have knowledge of eligibility criteria, about cabin crew profile, and about company. They must have knowledge of all these things. Okay, and the second thing is dress code. Guys, the dress code for the interview is half sleeve shirt, a knee length well fitted skirt with black stockings. Okay guys, if they are saying of a knee length well fitted skirt with black stockings, it means that if they are saying knee length, it should not be more than knee length or not smaller than the knee length. Do follow the requirement of the company. Okay, let's talk about documents. What all documents you need to carry while appearing for the cabin crew interview. Okay, so carry 2 passport size photo, soft copy along with 1 hard copy of uploaded resume, and photocopies of 10 plus 12 mark sheet from a recognized board and university, your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, and your passport. Aadhaar card, PAN card, and your passport. Okay. So guys, our last point is job responsibilities. So guys, let me tell you, if I'll explain each and every point here, this video is gonna be very long after that. Okay. So guys, let me give you just zip of it, that the crew responsibility is serving meals and take care of passenger safety and all. You can find out in Google also. Okay, I'll put a link in my description below. Just take your time and read it carefully. Okay, what all are the responsibilities of cabin crew. At least you should know the job which you are appearing for. Okay, so just I'm saying, just take your time and read it all. Okay, if you're finding any difficulty of anything, just do comment me on comment section, or just do DM me on my Instagram 7048.punchy. Okay, let's talk about form, how to fill it. Okay, as you can see on my screen that Indigo career page is there, indigocareer.com. So you have to Google it up. Okay, then you will find out a career page. Okay, you have to register yourself. If you are not registered, so you have to register first, then only you can fill this form. Okay, so the first thing is your name, your mail ID. Okay, your experience, if you have, then only. Okay, if you don't have, just skip this column. Okay, then resume which you have uploaded, the same resume you have to carry on the day of the interview. Okay, then your phone number which is active. Okay, then upload your CV. Okay, then upload your CV. So that's the thing. And guys, this job is for fresher and experience for both. There is no last date. Okay, just fill it up. Okay, if you want to make your career in aviation industry, and if you think that you are fit for this job, just do apply right now. This job is only for girls. And guys, if you have any kind of doubt or any kind of difficulty to understand anything or any point of job description of about cabin crew, so guys, please do DM me and do follow me on Instagram 7048.punchy. Thanks for your love and support. Do like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you.